Greetings to all of humanity. It's really a joy. It's a pleasure. It's an honor being out here in nature and bringing this message of self-realization to you that was taught to Neville Goddard by our ancestor and a mentor, one by the name of Abdullah. I wrote about Abdullah and called him the black mystic from Ethiopia, and he taught Neville a valuable lesson concerning his psychological dwelling place. That's the reason why I want to speak to you concerning where do you live. And Neville would have done a lecture called Where Do You Live, and goes into the Bible and show you the disciple coming to the Christ and asking the Christ, where do you live? Now I always teach you that a disciple is a follower, and what follow you wherever you go, that it's your thoughts. And Christ is speaking of your higher self, the highest place of consciousness. And it is teaching you about the thought that you will always go back to. And the place that you will always go back to is the place of your dwelling. And there is where you are living psychologically. So we all learn that thoughts become things, and that we become what we think about most of the time. Therefore, Abdullah taught Neville where to live psychologically each night as he go to bed, where he taught him to sleep as if he was sleeping in his mother's home in Barbados, and to walk the streets of New York as if he was walking the streets of Barbados. And Neville was making the comparison of the buildings in America, which is speaking about the tall, these high skyscraper buildings compared to the little 2-story and 3-story buildings in Barbados. And I can identify myself with that kind of lifestyle in Barbados, because I'm living just 100 miles away west of Barbados in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And I know the kind of buildings that are here in these parts, which is just 2- and 3-story buildings. And to live in that place, you have to very much have a strong imagination. And so he was teaching him the place that you always go back to night after night. This is where you live psychologically. That's the reason why, my brother and my sisters, when you understand Job 33 and what it is telling you, it's telling you where to live psychologically, and that you must always go back to that place and sleep in the consciousness of your wish being fulfilled, or fall asleep with your intention, believing that your wish has already been fulfilled by going to the end. So my brother and my sisters, naturally speaking, as night after night, you will go on your bed and sleep with the expectation of awakening the next day. So too, you are to take your desire with you as you go to bed and expect your desires to come to fruition in your life. So my brother and my sisters, this is a very short video that I'm doing to let you know how simple it is to demonstrate where you are living, where the Christ is living. To let you know, all you need to do is to go to bed more consciously, night after night. Take your desire with you as you fall asleep, and in a way that you do not know, it will all be fulfilled and will come to pass in your life. For a series of events will take place in your life and bring it to pass. So when the question is asked, where do you live? It means where you living psychologically. What your minds are your thought is always on. What are you thinking about each and every day? That's the reason why you have to focus your thought on a particular thing and keep that thought until you take it into your mother's bedchamber as it is said in Songs of Solomon, chapter 3, verses 1 to 4. So with that being said, my brothers and my sisters, I want to make this video very short, and I want to encourage you, if you haven't subscribed already and this message is resonating with you, to like, subscribe, comment, and share this message. And to remember that this message I bring to you, it is the same